Hey everyone, so the question is to sum. It's an easy level question. So we'll be given an array of integers called nums and an integer called target, and we have to return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. So since it's given that we will have exactly one solution, and it's not given what we have to return if there is no solution available. So that means there must be a solution available in all the test cases. And you can return the answer in any order. You can even return it 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 1. Both are right. So I'm going to tell you two ways how you can do this problem. And one of them will be brute force and another one will be optimized solution. So the first approach will be the brute force approach, which will use two for loops, which will go from 0 to n minus 1, and the next j will go from I plus 1 to n minus 1, and we will check if their sum is equal to target, then return the indices. And since we know the solution will always exist and it will be unique, we are not returning anything else because we know something will be returned always. So this, since we are using two for loops, this will be order of n square solution, time complexity, and since we are not using any extra space will be constant, order of 1. Now in the next approach, we will try to optimize the n square solution that we came up with before. So this will be an order of n solution, and we will use a dictionary to achieve this time complexity. So we have a dictionary C, which is currently empty. So we will traverse through all the elements in nums1. So this will be order of n, and so let's see what's happening inside this for loop. So first we are storing, we have a temp variable, and we are storing what number we require, which can be added to nums of I, so it will become the target. So we are doing basically temp plus nums I equals to target. So we just brought this here. So we have this temp. Since we already know that, so we are at nums I right now, and temp is what we require, so that the sum of nums I and temp is equal to target. So here if we are checking, have we encountered temp already in the list? Because if we have, it must have been added to our dictionary, right? Because we encountered it before and we added it in our dictionary. Since we are currently at the first position, we are at 1, so dictionary will be empty, so there will be nothing in the dictionary. So we will go to the else part and we will add that number along with its index in our dictionary. So let's try to dry run it and you will get a better understanding of what's going on. So first we are at 1, and since 1 is temp is not in C because nothing is in C basically. So we'll go in the else part and add 1 into our dictionary. So nums I is this key and I is the value which will be here, which is index, which is 0. So next we will move on to 2. So target is 6 and nums is 2, so temp will be 4. Since 4 is not anywhere in our dictionary, So we will go into the else part, and 2 will be added here with its index as 1. Then we will move on to 3. Temp target minus 6, 3 is 3. So temp will be 3, and 3 is not in our dictionary yet. So we will go to the else part, and it will also be added with its index as 2. Now here comes the part where we will find a solution. Now we are at 4. We do target minus 4, which is 2. So the temp is 2 right now. Now we will check if temp, now we will be in this part. Now this will be used finally. If temp in C, now we know that 2 is already in our dictionary at index 1, and we know nums I, that is currently is, this is 4. So 4 plus 2 will be equal to the target, which is 6. So we have finally found our answer, and we will just return C of temp, that means C of 2. C of 2 will be its index, which is 1, and I, that means the correct index that we are in, that is 3. Nums of I, that was, yeah, here right now. So this will be returned as our answer. So this is solution where we are using dictionary to keep track of all the elements that have occurred in our list along with its index. The only thing that you would understand is this portion. Target minus nums should be in our dictionary. Only then temp and numsci can add up to form target. If temp is not there, then numsci can never form target. So this approach will take order of and time complexity because we are only traversing in the array once, and since we are using a dictionary to store all the elements of the dictionary along with the index, so the space complexity will become order of n. So this is a more optimized solution as compared to the previous order of n square, and this will pass all the test cases without any issues. So yeah, thanks for watching.